Hello, this is John with Anthem Business Solutions, and today we're going to go over the discounts report. I'm at the admin portal, which is hrpos.heartland.us. New icon and the reports, and then I'm on the discounts report. Now, you don't have to use just the admin portal to view this report. You can view pretty much all these reports on the workstation. All you have to do on the workstation is sign in and go to the menu icon up here at the top right, and then go to reports, and you should see all your reports side. As usual on most of these reports, you have the option to export to either PDF or CSV. I do recommend doing this on a computer just because it might be easier to extract the files that way. Then you have a print option here. You can print the report if you want. And then you have your date ranges. So you can choose the date ranges by the arrows on the side, or you can click on the date range here and it'll pull up your calendar. Now on here, you've got some quick buttons here where you can quickly go to today, or you can go to yesterday, last week, last month, or you can just select on the day you want to see and click the run button. You can also choose date to date. If you wanted to do year to date, use January 1st as the start day and then the end day as March 20th, and it will select that whole time period and it run. I don't have a whole lot of discounts rung up because it's just a testing account that I'm using for testing and training purposes. But we can drill into this here in a second. There is also a filter option on here if you just wanted to see a specific staff member. Now, not all the staff are going to show up. This is only going to show a list of the staff that actually ran the discount. So Heartland is one of my favorite point of sales because you can interact with a lot of the things here in reports, which I think is a fantastic feature. I wish other point of sales had this. And I'm sure some do, we don't work on them. So I'm going to drill down into this one here by clicking on the open item discount, because all this is really going to show me here on this first page is how many discounts were rung up for that particular discount, how much the total was. But if I wanted to drill into it and kind of expand this, I can go in there and see what tickets had those discounts on them. And I can even open those up. And then I can see what was discounted. Now these discounts are just item discounts. Adjustments is where you would find actual meal comps and whole tickets that were discounted. So don't forget that on Heartland terminology. Discounts is by the item, adjustments is by the ticket. So this shows me all the information that I can find on this one here. The audit trail is also going to show who put the discount on there, who added it. Of course, troubleshooting is going to show you if there were any error messages or anything. Close out of that. And then, yeah, you can do the same thing with the other one. It just depends on what information you're looking for. Pretty much everything's here for it. That's about all there is to it. If you want to go back to the discounts page without clicking on discounts here, you can always click this hyperlink here. Take you right back to that. That's pretty much it on this report. I'll be doing the other reports here on the side as we go along here as individual videos. But that's it for this one. Hope it was helpful. Thanks for watching. Want to stay up to date on the latest tips and tricks? Don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon.